Hey peeps, it's Jedd here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, such a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to deal with a number pattern question, and with that in mind, let's dive straight in. Now they've given us the linear number pattern is 8, 3, and minus 2. What's really cool about the way they've phrased this question is they've said the linear number pattern. That automatically means that there is going to be a common first difference, which is always useful. Okay, so let's move straight into the first question. They've said to us 3.1.1. They've said to us, write down the next two terms of the pattern. So let's have a look at what this common difference is. So we move from 8 to 3, which is minus 5, then 3 to minus 2, which is minus 5. So that means minus 2 minus 5 is going to give us minus 7. And then we minus 5 from that again, and we're going to have minus 12, and that gets you a guaranteed 2 marks. Yes, please. Moving on to 3.1.2. Now they've asked us to determine the nth term of the pattern. Here we always write down Tn. We then use our common difference, which we have determined to be minus 5. We multiply that by n immediately. And then we put a 1 into the position of n. So that would be minus 5 times 1 gives us minus 5. Then we need to ask ourselves, what do we need to add or subtract to minus 5 in order to get to 8, which is our first term? And minus 5 plus 8, so we would need to add 13. So plus 13. Now let's check it by putting in the third term. So it should be minus 2, so we'll put a 3 in there. Minus 5 times 3 is minus 15. Plus 13 gives us minus 2, which is great. That means we've got the right general term. Let's move on to 3.1.3. They've said to us, calculate T30, the 30th term of the pattern. Now, because we've already got the general term, it's quite simple. So we're going to say T30 is equal to minus 5 times 30 plus 13. And literally, we can plug that in a calculator. We don't have to plug it in a calculator, but that is ultimately going to equal minus 137. So that's a lot easier than writing the sequence out to the 30th term. We could do that in the blink of an eye because we derived a general term. And then finally, they've asked us for which term of the pattern is equal to 492. So what they've given you here is they've given you the Tn, and we need to try and figure out what the n is. So we're going to write negative 492 is equal to minus 5n plus 13. So in order to do that, we're literally going to solve an equation using our equation rules. So we're first going to subtract 13 from both sides, and that's going to leave us with minus 505. So we're going to have minus 505 equals minus 5n. We're then going to divide both sides by minus 5, which is going to give us n is equal to 101. So the 101st term is going to yield a result of minus 492. And with that, you have bagged some seriously well-deserved marks. Thanks so much for joining us. Thanks so much to our sponsors for making this video possible. Remember to read all about them in the description below. Also, head over to our website to find more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the answer to your question, remember you can send us the question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Until the next time, stay epic.